Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you fun fabric crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first video is friends. Beautiful. Flower cut pattern shapes from ferret, layer them one by one. Glue stitch in the center. Your flower is ready. You can use it for decoration or clip. Felt keychains. Draw small shapes like heart or star. Cut to same pieces. Fill with cotton and stitch the edge. Attach a keyring. Now your cute keychain is ready. Hair clip. Cut small shapes like bow or flowers. Glue them on a hair clip. They look soft and pretty. Cushions design. Take a plain cushion cover. Cut ferret shape. Glue or stitches them on the cover. It looks colorful and cozy. Wall hanging. Cut moon and star shape. Attach them with the thread. Hang it on the wall. It's look beautiful kids room. And dear viewers, my next idea is viewers, friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon.